Hi, welcome back to Simple Kitchen Recipes. Today we're gonna be making cheesy chicken fry. Things we need are chicken breast, chicken powder, salt, black pepper, turmeric powder, chili sauce, egg, all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs, and grated cheese. First clean and cut the chicken into long pieces. Add salt, chicken powder, black pepper, turmeric powder and mix it well. Mix the egg well and then mix it with the chicken. Get each chicken pieces coated with breadcrumbs. Fry the chicken until it's well cooked. Add all-purpose flour and chili sauce with some water for 5 minutes. Put the fried chicken into the sauce and mix it well. Once it's done, add the grated cheese on the top of the chicken. And that's it, your cheesy chicken fry is ready. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please do comment and don't forget to subscribe.